Hello, Isabella here to help you let go of some limiting beliefs so you can move on to become successful in whatever you want. First of all, there is nothing wrong with you. Your brain is working quite well. You have just been programming your mind all these years to think a certain way, and now that way just does not serve you anymore. We are here to help you change that programming to one that fits your needs at the present time by revealing certain truths. So let's get started. 5. Goals to grow. Change and growth follow the law of process. Change doesn't always lead to growth, but growth always leads to change. If you want something new in your life, you must become something new. Growth is a process like peeling the layers from an onion. When you have successfully peeled one layer and resolved the conflict within it, you will begin to peel another layer and so on. When we ask for growth or higher levels in life, we ask for trouble. The struggles we go through are designed to shape and mold us into greater beings to do greater things. When creating growth goals, a more effective approach is to gain clarity on who you need to be to create the result you want, and then work to become that version of yourself. Who you are being determines what you create and produce in life. By changing who you are being, you are automatically changing the results. So, a growth goal is not getting from point A to point B, but in essence is getting from who you are to who you must become to produce those outcomes you desire. Let's say you've taken on the belief that money is hard to come by or is a struggle. That belief system will keep you in situations that reinforce it. To change this, you must become the version of yourself that has a healthy relationship with money. When you do this, you will be put in situations that will improve your financial circumstances and more opportunities will find you. Again, if you want something different in your life, you must become something different. Your action must lead to personal growth, or you will find yourself constantly chasing after temporary relief and temporary results. Decide what type of person you will become. What will your qualities and characteristics be? How will you conduct yourself in different situations in your life? Once you determine who you will become and how you will live your life, begin to work on growing into that type of person or that version of yourself. That's when you will start to create results in your life. Don't focus on the results, but instead focus on the process. That is one of the keys of staying in your personal power and achieving the results you want. All results are created through a process, so focus on the process of growth instead of the outcome. This is also how you create faster, more effective results. Staying present in the process allows you to manage each step effectively so you can progress to the next step. You will reach your goal one step at a time. Do not try to skip steps or you'll end up like a yo-yo dieter. Just take each step and adequately manage it. I will take you through each step in these videos. Don't focus on past steps, it will get you off course. So avoid this by managing where you are in the current step instead of where you have been. Also, try not to look too far ahead to the future steps. You will set yourself up for failure and unnecessarily pain and suffering. If you will manage these steps you're currently in, you will more than adequately prepare for the future steps. Remember to be fully present because that is where your personal power state lies. You will be okay and you will make it through. You always have, you always will. Your goal should be to effectively overcome the thought processes creating these anxieties or depression experiences by training your mind to stay focused in the present moment. You will gain freedom when you learn to master each moment. You must become the new version of yourself to change the results you have been getting to the results you now want to achieve. In the coming videos, I will show you how to teach your brain to think and respond differently for the success. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you want to check out my side hustle, please click the link below. Also, please like and subscribe to stay informed when I upload another video. Again, thank you for watching and God bless.